The COUNTA function. COUNTA function counts the number of numeric or text entries in a list. It will ignore blanks. So, simply put, it counts non-empty cells. Provided the cell is not empty, it counts the value in there. Now, this is quite different from the count function, which counts only numeric values. This counts anything that you have in your cell, provided it is not empty. Let's see this example. These are the formulas that I've imputed here that are returning these values. Let's see. This is count A, C4 to E4. So I've put this here to count this range C4 to E4. So it returns 2 here because we only have 2 non-empty cells. This is empty, so it doesn't count that. Here it returned 3, 3, 3, 3. So far there's a value in the cell, it counts it. This one, because this one empty, this is 3, this is 3. Even if it is an error, it counts it. So basically that's how the COUNTA function works. So I've included some examples here, counting the number of pupils that sat for the exams. When you count down here, you have 4. When you count here, you have 3. You have 5. You have 2. And this gives us the corresponding value if you count horizontally, like that. So it simply counts non-empty cells. This is different from the count function that really counts numbers. Thank you for this video. See you again in the next one. But before then, kindly subscribe, like and follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again in the next lesson. Thank you.